So in 2007, we basically reached a plateau with our overall safety program. We did the traditional, we followed our vehicles, surveillances, but we were missing what was in the cab. And that's where accident causation comes from. And we realized that we needed another program to elevate our overall abilities. When we first started 08 to 09 timeframe, we did a study and we had actually experienced a 50% reduction in vehicle crashes. And we've done a number of studies over time, but I can tell you over the last several years, we continually have a 10 to 15% reduction in vehicle crashes. We had to meet with our unions, and we had at that time 45 different unions throughout the United States. And how we sold it is, hey, this could exonerate your union paying due members in the event something would happen. So quite frankly, I don't see how anybody would not want this as an additional tool within the company. And so we were successful. We were able to demonstrate that, hey, it can exonerate you. It will show you where you need to improve on your driving behaviors. So I think we got that acceptance and that buy-in. I enjoy working with Smart Drive, and again, the reason that we actually selected Smart Drive as the solution was just that partnership. And we have a lot of vendors within our organization, and it's basically a vendor-customer relationship. And we didn't want that. We wanted that one-on-one conversation. And we meet with Smart Drive on a quarterly basis to review how we're doing with the program. Because it was important to us to make sure that we continually improve, not just have a tool that's in a vehicle. And the old saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth 10,000 words. And it's just undisputable.